So check it out, y'all. We finna do Taco Tuesday. We doing the 7 tacos and 7-minute challenge, which was put out to us by Finest Wine Cooking Channel. So we got us some guacamole in this bowl. We have our pork in this bowl. We got lettuce. We got some Mexican style taco cheese. And we got all our tortillas. And here go a little pico de gallo. So now we gonna go ahead and get this challenge done, y'all. So anyway, let's get it. The recipe for making these tacos will be posted tomorrow, y'all. So look here, y'all. We got our countdown clock here. 7 minutes, 7 tacos. Hey, I don't think neither one of us gonna get this shit done, but it's okay.
Right, man versus food, man versus food, man.
Got my cheerleader in the background. We good.
We gonna be alright, right?
Got my hype man.
We got the grandbabies cheering for us in the background.
Man versus food.
Finest Wine Cooking Channel. Here we go, y'all. 7 minutes, 7 tacos.
Check it.
We give you a chance to take your break. And you'll sit down.
The play button ain't working. There you go. Count down, count down.
Yeah,
We got 7 minutes. Yeah, everybody gotta go. You gotta go now.
Okay, so you ain't even got the.
Tell us 7 tacos.
You gonna tell us that? Oh, so you gonna go with just the 1 spoon you filed? You cheated us out of it anyway. You like need to just bring all the spoons and forks.
7 minutes. We own one.
Yeah, so I just wasted 2 of them right here. Sprinkle the cheese.
Yeah, I'm talking about. We own one.
Nah, you put cheese dust. I mean, but you don't need
We own one now. We kind of own one. Now I ain't even made 1 taco yet. And it's been
Come on,
10
we ain't got to do
It's
nothing
been
but 7 minutes.
been
Now y'all
10.
can handle this shit. Shit, y'all crying.
I ain't crying, did.
Right, check it.
Okay,
Taco
come
number
on.
1.
Legs, you ready? You think Nana gonna get this? Okay.
Man,
You sure?
I gotta need some of this stuff.
Okay, we wanna do it first and out. That tastes pretty good though. Hold on. Oh, I'm losing stuff. Oh, I guess I can't catch up.
And while I'm chewing now, I'm going to get my next
Did you
one.
flip the clock on, man, before you even?
Yeah, it's right been on clock while we was waiting on pencils. What you think? Think I got this?
Y'all supposed to be cheerleading. Y'all ain't even cheerleading right.
Got to go. Come on.
Come on, can I get some cheerleading? Go, Paw Paw, go, Paw Paw, go. I'll get some cheerleading. I ain't getting no cheerleading. Go, Nanny, go, Nanny, go.
You going on Buffalo team? Oh, he almost winning. No, my nanny finna win. My nanny finna win. She won. She won.
No, I ain't going.
My second taco already ready.
Your taco not good. Your taco not good. Why you almost good?
You know what? You set me up for failure. Which one you gonna do? Cooking friend. What's this song? What's his name?
Jesus.
Finest Wine. Finest Wine set me up for this.
I'm not gonna eat this.
Okay.
Look.
Finest Wine, I'm gonna find a fine payback for you on this.
Jaja.
No, 7 damn more.
Oh.
No, I'm not.
That's okay, man. We're going to do the best we can. Go, John. Go, John. Go. Go, John. Go, John.
I'm
Go.
going. I'm doing my best, back. Shit, I'm doing my best, back.
They're not bad tacos.
Oh, they're good.
Oh, I'm not surely.
Good
I'm
stuff.
not scared of that. I'm not scared of that.
Well, I'm gonna eat those seven.
You want to put cheese on it? No, I'm not
Put
putting
me on busy for a second.
cheese on
They
it.
already on there?
That's what Mommy said, Uncle John King. And then Papa
I ain't eat no seven of these, y'all.
That's all right, Don. You just made it. Number 3, y'all.
Man, I ain't eat no seven of these things.
I'm going to walk on the box this time.
Do the thing. How you do it? I'm not eating. I can't eat no seven of these.
That's okay, John. Do what you can do.
Grab them, stay on the ground, 1, 2, and come on.
I'm not
Why you gonna put cheese on there? That one put cheese, bread, hamburger, and bread.
We know you're 125 years old.
And bread. Oh, that's so. You gotta eat bread, Nanny.
I can't be
Y'all
eating like
making a mess. Y'all making a mess.
My plate called it.
I think y'all making a mess.
But my plate called it.
Y'all making a mess.
Oh, is them 7 minutes old? I don't know if they got that.
Check it out.
Why you making this?
That is not. This is really good. You want
That's boo-boo. That's boo-boo green.
Whatever. Whatever, little girl.
That's not a boo-boo. It is boo-boo.
Watch where you going, little fella.
Have a seat, lady.
Legend. Legend, watch where you're going. He's bleeding. I'm bleeding. He's bleeding. No, that's because they want to go home because
Go back.
they're sad. And then,
I gotta leave a big ass basketball dude. I got my friend.
Whatever, John, you usually eat 7 tacos and Taco Bells when you
Lay down. Like that. Hop up there and sit down.
I'm 50 I'm 60 years old now.
I ate taco before.
I don't even know.
See,
I'm
never
telling you.
ate taco.
I can't eat all of this stuff, man.
Well, tap out. Tap out. You hungry?
After 3, I'm out.
There was no pause for laugh.
Real talk. Hell no. After 3, I'm out. Man, I ain't man. Fuck this, I can't do it. Yeah, I've been here. I ate some stuff earlier. No, I can't eat 7 of these things, man.
You been all right now.
Right. I know, sis.
I didn't think I was going to eat this many.
My daddy wants it. No, I don't have it. See?
Right now. Shit, this.
I don't have it.
That's why you can't eat stuff because it's talking.
No, I have it.
Shit, nah. I wasn't talking, I can't eat stuff.
Turn your butt. I don't have it no more.
Let's stop talking more so I can cry.
I'm trying to on YouTube. You gonna put me on YouTube?
You own it. Yeah, being an
Hold me
expert. So you crying.
Hold me tight.
Trying?
Yeah, hold me
You don't
tight.
hear all that crying you doing.
Oh, crying. That's okay.
I can't do it, I'm wrong.
Alright.
fever.
You're not gonna be back?
Hey, y'all.
Can't eat that stuff.
Hey, what happened to my cheerleader? You talking about something totally different. You ain't helping me none.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but
You ain't cheering nobody.
You ain't helping me none.
That stuff, man. Crazy.
That's not nasty. What is that inside of it?
I'm feeling different.
What is that inside
I'm
of
feeling
it?
good for help.
Papa, what is that inside of it?
Hold on, we want to
Juice? What? Some kind of juice.
That's pico de gallo
Oh.
and
Pickle with me, no?
come here.
avocado guacamole.
For me? Dad. Oh, macaroni.
Come around this way.
This is
Come over here with me.
macaroni. Okay.
pico de gallo and guacamole.
And the 3-year-old say guacamole better than some grown people.
Say boo boo guacamole.
Well, y'all think I'm tapping out at number 4?
I got help on 4.
Y'all ate 4 of
Boo
them
boo.
already?
You put hot
Come on,
sauce
ain't no hot, ain't nothing hot.
No.
Come on, lady.
I remember I used to be able to get my fat boy swag on.
Come on.
Cause I ain't fat boy enough though.
I tapped out on y'all. I made accomplish 3. Come on, Larry.
No, baby.
Okay, back up.
And I ain't eating no 7 of these things, man.
Tapping out.
I'm not eating that so
Don't
fast.
say you tap out.
I'm tapped out.
Stop that.
This is my tap out.
Larry. Don't worry.
You like supposed to sit like that. She said I'm supposed to sit like that. I don't know sit right here.
Okay, I quit. I had 3 in a bite.
Right.
I couldn't survive. I'm sorry.
I can't know.
You know how little about when he can't eat, but he still kill him.
You already had me. This is the 3rd, and I ain't finished it.
Stop spinning that shirt.
All right.
Nanny, let me spin that shirt.
Stop.
Stop.
Did you stop?
No, you stop. Let me stop. Let me stop. Stop it. You spinning it. You spinning it. I didn't drink all my water.
Me either.
I didn't get my water.
So yeah, guys, we tried the 7-minute taco challenge and we failed miserably. We're at 4 minutes past 7 minutes and we ain't ate but 4. I ate 4.
I'm on 3 1/2.
I just say 3.
So we couldn't do it, but that's okay.
That's
We
why
tried to make it happen, yeah.
cheerleaders wasn't no help.
I see my grandbabies, they supposed to be helping us. They ain't did nothing. Look at them. There go Lyric, she won't play in the chair like she wasn't supposed to be cheerleading nobody on. There go Legend. He wanna drink some water like he ain't supposed to be cheering nobody on. And there go Legacy. And she just sitting there looking crazy. Like she wasn't supposed to be cheering nobody else. Now, what they said was that they had Uncle John, they nanny, and they pawpaw. And they was gonna be cheering us on to victory.
Now you help me out. Now you give me some water. Now you
But we are defeated. 7 taco challenge. Deli Grills and Chills could not finish. It's okay though.
It's good.
But anyway, y'all, tacos was good.
I'm full.
I'm done.
So remember, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all.
I love her.
Shit, I ain't done.
See ya.
Good boy, this stuff.